Make the incisions indicated by the dotted lines with your scalpel. Examine the blue vein connecting it to the large, dark liver. The abdominal organs are now exposed. Now give your attention to the gallbladder on the liver's underside. Touch the gallbladder with the probe. Notice that both ends of a muscle are attached to bone. One end attaches to a stationary bone. This attachment point is called the origin. The origin is on the zygomatic arch, and the insertion is on the mandible. Now locate the paired kidneys, the principal urinary organs positioned against the body wall on either side of the spine. Refer to the diagram on your left. Note the location of the outer renal cortex, inner renal medulla, and the internal renal pelvis. Now let's look at the stomach. The fetal pig's stomach is very similar to humans. It is the large sac-like organ dorsal to the liver. Using your scissors again, cut through its connection to the small intestine. Go ahead now and remove the stomach with your forceps and hold it in front of you.